AI is changing how people start and grow businesses. For those who learn how to use it early, it can become a powerful tool for turning ideas into real opportunities. But for many people, starting a business feels overwhelming. What idea do you choose? How do you know if it's viable? How do you plan it, launch it, and manage it properly? This is where AI can help, not with shortcuts or guarantees, but with clarity and guidance. Some AI tools are designed specifically for business thinking. They help you explore business ideas based on your interests, skills, and preferences. They help you compare different options and understand how they might perform in different situations. Unlike general AI tools, this specialized system focuses on planning, decision-making, and business growth. It can help you generate ideas, narrow them down, and create a clear plan to prepare for launch. As you work through the process, it's there to answer questions, explain concepts, and guide your next steps anytime you need it. This platform is called NewBusinessMaster.com. You can try it for free. Just go to NewBusinessMaster.com, click the Start button, and sign up under the Continue section. You'll receive a verification email. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. Once you're logged in, ask any business-related question and start exploring ideas at your own pace. If you're interested in how AI can support smarter business decisions, NewBusinessMaster.com is a great place to start.